Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to convert your Amazon gift card into cash. While Amazon does not directly offer a way to redeem gift card for cash, there are a few legitimate methods to do this. So let's get started. So first of all, you can simply sell your Amazon gift card online. One of the easiest way to convert your Amazon gift card into cash is by selling online on platforms like GameFlip, Cash Card, and so on. You can visit these sites, create an account, and list your card for sale. Make sure you double check that platform is trusted to avoid scam. Now another way is to exchange your Amazon gift card for a card from another retailer. Sites like Gift Card Granny, Card Pool lets you swap your Amazon gift card for a gift card from stores like Walmart, Target, or even Visa gift card. So to do this, you can simply visit the website, select your Amazon gift card, choose a retailer gift card you want in exchange, and while it's not exactly cash, you are getting a useful gift card that you can spend almost everywhere. Now next, you can simply ask a friend or family member to use your Amazon gift card to make purchase and pay you back in cash. And you can buy popular items from Amazon and resell them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for cash. And that is simply how you can convert your Amazon gift card into cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.